Okay, so now that we've got it, let's see what's in it. Alright, so we get an info card. Ooh, free customer service. Awesome. And on the back, what is this? Oh, GPIO headers. Oh, that'll come in handy. IC squared, I squared C. UART, PCM controls, SPI. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alright. We've got HDMI cable. Awesome. I zoomed out all the way. Okay. Just want to make sure I'm zoomed out. There we go. That's better. Alright, we got test board. Got some buttons. Tactile buttons, some red and yellow and green LEDs, and resistors. And I don't have the resistor colors memorized, so I'm not going to guess what those are. What do we got here? Micro SD card reader. Ooh. For reloading noobs and stuff? Oh, that's cool. That's going to come in handy, because I've been using... Where is it? I've been using this old piece of junk, and unfortunately, it doesn't really work anymore. I mean, it works, but I can't do it with one hand. The connector falls off the front, and the whole thing comes apart, and whoever had it before me put a card in and bent it, so all the contacts are bad. So, what else we got? We got some test leads of different shapes and sizes. Ooh, I got heat sinks. Oh, gotta have heat sinks for the Pi 3 because it's quicker. Now, what do we got here? GPIO breakout board and ribbon cables. Awesome. The Pi 3. Oh, the case and a power supply. All right. Party time. I'm putting this together right now.